Good day, sir. I am Rilan Bagaslao. My topic is all about concept of security. From the word security is important to everyone. It is important to individuals such as homeowner who want to protect valuable items. So, kailangan taog security para para ma-secure ang atong mga nga butang, mamahalon nga butang or para dili mawala. So, like mga dagkong establishment. So, naagi na sila mga security to protect them their sa mga item nila o para pod ma-secure ang silang mga mga katawan na nagtrabaho ana nga establish. Definition of security. Generally, the meaning of security is a kind of state where people, institution, authority, or groups feel fully secured or feeling free from any threat or vulnerability from somewhere or someone in his her life, liberty, property, or activity. It could be in physical, psychological, social, or economical form. So, example ani kay kanang isip isa ka estudyante. So, sa atong eskwelahan ka na secured ta kay naman tay security guard nga magbantay sa kalinaw. So, kalapras na to karang ug mosulod ta sa eskwelahan pangitaan tag ID as a student or complete uniform para mabaw-an nga dira ta ga eskwela or para pod maiwasan tong mga daotan nga tawo nga mosunod nga maghimo og dili maayo sa palibot. It is a state of quality of being secured, freedom from fear or danger, assurance, certainly. So, kanang natay freedom nga magsuroy-suroy sa eskwelahan kay kabalo ta we all know nga secured ta dra dapita kay naman tay security guard nga nagbantay sa tuwa. It is the degree of protection against danger, laws and criminals. Protections against any type of crime to safeguard life and assist by various method and device. So para pod kanta kanang layo ta sa mga mga panghitabo nga dili maayo. So kay naman tay security guard nga magbantay. So mao na to ganiya nga parehas ra away from danger. So on pod garang maiwasan pod ang di kasulod ang mga criminals. Basic principles of security. Command responsibility cannot be delegated, but the security task can be assigned. Command responsibility refers to the legal and moral obligation of person in a position of authority to ensure that their subordinates follow appropriate rules and regulations and take the responsibility for any action or omission that occur under their command. So, ang pasabot ni kay ug unsa ang gimando sa imong nga nga buluhaton dapat dili nimo ipasa sa lain. Kailan kung unsa yung gi-assign sa imo dapat mao ra gina ang imong buhaton kay if ever na kato imong gipasahan nga sa imong trabaho nga naay madili mayong nahitabo sa imuha mahapak ang obligasyon kay ikaw may na-assign na nga trabaho. Compartmentation, need to know basis, refers to the practice of dividing classified information into separate, secure compartments of categories. This is done to limit access to sensitive information and to ensure that only those with need to know basis can access. Next, balance between security and efficiency. Security prevails over efficiency. So, the balance between security and efficiency refers to the optimal level of security measures that can be implemented without compromising the efficiency of the organization operations. It involves finding a balance between ensuring the protection of sensitive information and enabling smooth and productive workflows. This balance is critical in today's digital age where cyber threats are constantly evolving and organizations must maintain a high level of security while still being able to function effectively. The ideal balance between security and efficiency will vary depending on the nature of the organizations. So, kailangan balance ang security and efficiency. So, kailangan so nagpasabot og ang implement na security is epektibo pa kang kasakto ba to nga magkuantag security secured. General principle of security remain constant. Specific measures to solve operation. The general principle of security remain constant regardless of the changing technological landscape and threats. Security is the concern of all personnel, regardless of rank, position, and designation. So, the concern of all personnel is an important aspect of maintaining a secure environment. Every individual within an organization, regardless of their role or position, has a responsibility to contribute to the overall security posture. So, ang pasabot sa security is the concern of all personnel. So, kung naa ka sa police, bisan pag high rank na ka, kinahanglan gyapon ka mohatag og concern sa mga bitaw karang mga sa community nimo, bisan pag high rank na ka, although high rank ikaw ang dako-dako. So, kinahanglan buka karang napo kay concern sa community nga mo kinahanglan secured sila para wala mahitabo nila. So, mo na ang pasabot ra pud ako sa security is the concern of all.
So, good morning everyone. I am Danish Inot. I am the reporter of Group 3 or 2. So, our topic is our topic is our topic is concept of security. So I was assigned to discuss these factors that bring insecure condition. So first concept, enemy agent will always seek access. So sa A, enemy agents will always seek access. So it means that ang enemy or ang mga example mga bad people, mangita din sila, they are seeking access, o mangita din sila mga buslot para mag-gain nilang desire. Example, theft nga na mangita din sila mga lusot, mga way para mag-gain nila ang ilang desire. They always seek access. Sa B, uh, surreptitious entry is the greatest hazard to security. So dere gingon dere nga surreptitious entry is the greatest hazard. So kung kuan ka, vulnerable ka, dali ra nila masikang access. Kung ang kuan mo nang matag-usa na to, kinahanglan jud og security. So ganyan rin ang ingon rin ang greatest hazard to security. Surreptitious. Ingon rin ang surreptitious di is mo pinaka hazard na security. Kasi there are no impenetrable barriers. So there are no impenetrable barriers. So sa mga kuan sa mga example mga enemy agents, wala day impenetrable, kanang dili madutlan or dili nila ma-access nga barriers. Ang mga enemy agents or example ato ibutang lang mga theft o sa padihalain, wala jud ay nga walay barriers nga dili nila masik o walay barriers nga ilang makuan day ilang pasabot ani ilang penetrable. It means walay barriers nga ilang dili masudlan, example sa kahouse la i-break di masudlan nga na. Sa D, each installation is different. So ang each installation is different. So tag-usa ka kuan, tag-usa ka example, isa ka premises, isa ka mga usa ka kanang lugar sa imong house baka example is different. Ang mga installation na is different of mga security, different of mga basta nga na. Yan dito sa factors that bring insecure condition. So una na ilimadre, una threat, ang number 2 asset, number 3 hazard, number 4 vulnerability, number 5 is risk. So kining lima mo na factors nga ma-secure ang atong condition. So number 1 is threat. So threat, an indication of impending danger or harm, positive in chemical acts. So dunay kining threat pasabot ni nga dunay danger or harm nga maka-affect sa tuwa. Ay threat ba na siya threat. Example na threat kanta anang atong balay or atong mga negosyo is kanang walay security ana ba atong balay kundi atong mga premises nga kuan anang penetrable sa mga enemy agents like theft nga na siya threat. Ang ikaduha is asset. So asset, kung yung tag-asset, an asset is anything tangible or intangible that is capable of being owned or controlled to produce value. It is the positive economic value is considered as an asset. So an asset is kung siya tangible or intangible. So meaning ang asset muna siya makaproduce og value. Example, kinato ang negosyo, asset na. Itong balay, asset na. Makaproduce og value ba. Then example, kinato ang atong self, tawag nig asset. Ano man, makaproduce man tag value, di ba? Tawag nig asset, naay value. Munang we need security. Kinahanglan jud ta nga dunay security. Ang ikatulo, hazard. So if we say hazard, a chance of being injured or harmed, passive in inimical acts. So nay hazard tungod kay night threat, so dunay hazard. Ang hazard,
Good day, sir. I'm Kenji Malasan, the third reporter. My topic is the categories. My first topic is the categories of security. There are three main categories: the physical security, personal security, document and information security. The physical security pertains to all physical barriers employed or installed to secure assets. For example, kaning mga doors, wall, fence, init, tangible things that can protect in anything that has a value. Then the personal security refers to the procedure followed in inquiries conducted and criteria applied to determine work suitability of a particular applicant or the retention of a particular employee. For example, sir, if you are the employer, then naay nang apply sa imong company, mangita jud ka pangayuan jud mo siya og kanang background, personal background, for you to ensure that this person has a good character and he or she is suitable for any job nga pwede niya nga iyang gi-applyan. Then the last is the document and information security. Refers to policies, regulations, doctrines, and practices enforced to safeguard the contents and integrity of any classified information or documents from compromise or loss. Like for example, kanang sa GH, sir, kanang na-adjud sila kanang portal or link nga dito gina-save ang mga data sa mga student or staff sa eskwelahan para ma-secured. Then for it to be secured and dili mawala. Then the next is political security. Political security is another category that relate to social relationships involving governments or entities that hold authority or power. This political security includes the public security, national security, and also the international security. The public security refers to a way governments are ensuring the protection of its citizens. Like for example, sir, the PNP. The PNP is the one that securing the citizen and also the community. The PNP is the organizations and that for example, the PNP is the organization that protect and maintain the peace in any public places. Then the second is the national security. National security is the requirement to maintain the survival of state through the use of economic power, diplomacy, and political power. Example of national security like the DND. The Department of Defense is one of the organization that depending the security of our country against any enemy. Then also from the natural disasters, bisan tuod nga dili nato ma-prevent nga dili nga walay ay dili nato mapugngan ang disasters kay like sa mga bagyo, at least nga pamaagi sa kanang pag andam magamay ra ang casualties nga pwede mamatay din. The last is the international security. Consists of the measures taken by nations and international organizations to ensure mutual survival and safety. Like for example, sir, kanang NATO, kanang nagkalain-lain nga bansa ang nag-combine para in order to protect their own country against enemy nga dagko, like for Russia ay China. Kung ang Pilipinas walay kapit sa uban nga nasod like Amerika, posible nga i-attack na ta kay ang Pilipinas dili siya capable enough to defend their own. Kinahanglan jud siya og kanang assistance gikan sa Amerika. and the private first security can be even further categorized. The industrial security is form of physical security involving industrial plants and business enterprises. In the private sphere, security can be even further. This categorized as shown below. The industrial security is form of physical security involving industrial plants and businesses enterprises. Then the bank and armor security involves the protection resulting from the application of various measures which safeguards cash assets in storage, in transit, or during transactions, like kaning kwarta, sir, kung i-transit sa laing lugar, kinahanglan siya isakay sa armored car. Kay if ever nga ordinary car lang, may possibility nga kanang night high risk siya, kay pwede siya maambus nga kanang ini person nga nakabalo nga naay kwarta dito. Unlike sa kung armored car ang gigamit, dili siya basta-basta maambush, kay dili mo sa madudlan. Then the hotel security involves using various measures of protection for the guests, personal properties and function hotels, restaurants, bars and clubs. Then the number 4 is the VIP security. Involves the protection of top rankings officials of the government, visiting persons of illustration standing and foreign dignitaries. Then involves the protection of process formula, patents and industrial and manufacturing activities from espionage, infiltration, loss, compromise, or and then the communication security involves a safeguard resulting from the application of different measures which prevent or delay the enemy or unauthorized person from gaining information through communication, including transmission and cryptographic. Then mall commercial security is the degree of protection against danger, loss, and crime inside malls. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Marjon Rubio Kahig. I'm the last reporter. My topic is all about security management and organization. Security management is a crucial aspect of corporate activity, with companies employing teams to respond to threats, private armies, CCTVs, alarm systems, workplace policies, employee screening, and emergency planning are just a few of the measures used to protect individuals and organizations from potential danger. When we say threats is refer to the potential dangers or harmful actions that may cause damage, harm, or disruption to individuals, organizations, or systems. This can sum in various forms, including physical threats like violence or attacks, cyber security threats like hacking or data breaches, economic threats such as financial instability or market vola- volatility, and environmental threats like natural disaster or pollution. Identify and mitigating threats is essential for ensuring safety, security, and stability in different contexts. Kuan day kani adayang threats is kuan ni siya kanang um kuan day kanang when we say threats is kuan ni siya is harmful or kuan danger sa imong kaugalingon or kanang kuan bitaw kanang hulga. Kuan kanang para malikayan nato ning threats is need ta og mga private armies, CCTVs, alarm systems, workplace policies, employee screening kay kuan para maprotektahan ang atong tagsa-tagsa kaugalingon mula sa kuan kanang iyahang panganib or risky. The next is security plays a crucial role in organizations policing against illegal practices in the workplace, including high-stakes corporate crimes like tax evasion, money laundering, fraud, bribery, workplace harassment, and street crimes. So kanida sila is kuan siya ani importante kayo ang security management kay importante kayo ang security management kay para kuan kanang malikayan ang mga illegal nga mga trabaho, like example kanang dili pagbayad o pag-iwas sa buwis, money laundering, pandaraya, panunuhol o mga pagbuhat sa mga krimen. The next is corporate crime is a growing concern, highlighting the need for private security to effectively prevent and manage risk. A new breed of uniformed individuals equipped with education, training, and technical gadgets is taking over to ensure organizational asset security. So, diri no kay kuan, they need for private security kuan need jud ang private security or kanang mga security kay para malikay sila sa risk or panganib para walay mabuhat nga crime than kuan niyang so need diri ang kuan equip education nga mag-eskwela ka, then training and technical gadgets para to ensure organizational asset security.